Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And
hello, welcome to my channel. Hi guys. During the first lockdown, I was kind of depressed, so I took out my drawing book and my very cheap watercolor, the one that you use in grade school. The reason why I chose watercolor painting is because I thought it's easy, and little did I know that it's the hardest medium to use for painting. So anyway, this is the first painting that I made. Oh my god, embarrassing. And I even posted it in Facebook. So I made improvements. I cut CDs and put it on the side. Took out an old frame and voila, that's my first ever watercolor painting. And now it's in my bedroom. Then I painted more flowers. I think this represents the 4 seasons. I mounted it in a cartolina. And then I put cut CDs on the side. I even made its own frame from cardboard and cartolina again. And voila, I put it in my room in my father's house. Originally, I wanted to buy paintings online. But then when I saw these 3 pictures, it's actually a set. It's kind of easy to look at, and I felt, I'll try and I think I can do it. So I did. So I bought a better quality watercolor paper and brush. I used scaling, which is a drawing method wherein you enlarge or reduce a certain drawing but you maintain the proportions. So I drew lines. After I finished the drawing, I started to paint. I really am sorry I cannot teach you what technique I used because I didn't have any. I just mix 1 or 2 colors to get the right color that I wanted for that particular area of the drawing, and that's it. I was happy with the outcome, and so I put it in a frame and I put it in my father's house. I am just thankful I finished all 3, and I even made 2 more with more colors. I like color, so I made a lot of greens. And then I put this one, like the yellows and the blues and the greens. Well, I like it so much. And the last one I did was after Typhoon Odette, when we had no electricity, and I didn't finish it yet. So next time I'll show it to you. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Bye! Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!